Now that we've gotten the basic theory out of the way, so it is time to learn how to build our first website. And first off, we must ensure that we have the right tools. Most importantly, we need an HTML editor. So there are many choices on the market, but here are the handful of the most popular. So we have Visual Studio Code. This is what we are going to be using throughout this tutorial. Visual Studio Code is a popular source code editor developed by Microsoft. It is lightweight, highly customizable, and it supports a wide range of programming languages, and it has a lot of features and benefits. So let's just go ahead and download Visual Studio Code. And if you have it already, that's okay. I have it already too, but I just want to. So you go to download. So you pick Window, Mac, just pick anyone that suits your system. So here we have it. Go ahead and open it. And it's here. So you can go ahead and open our Visual Studio Code. And this is what it looks like. Open. Voila, we have our Visual Studio Code. So let's talk about Sublime Text. For this tutorial, you can also use Sublime Text 3. It's free and also offer cross-platform support for Windows, Mac, and Linux users. So you can use it, but it cannot print documents or code, and it doesn't have toolbar or dashboard. So, but let's go ahead and let me show you how to have a Sublime Text show. So just type just like Sublime Text 3. I'll leave the link down in case you just want to use the link and just download it directly. So this is for Mac, Windows, so you can go ahead. I'll pick Mac because I'm using Mac. So I have it. Yeah, so I already downloaded it. I have it already on my PC. So yeah, I'm just trying to show you how to. I already have it. So open. So this is what it looks like. This is what Sublime Text look like. And this is what Visual Studio look like. So we have so many others like Notepad++, we have Komodo editors, and we have a lot of editors. But for this tutorial, we're going to be using Visual Studio Code. So the only thing to avoid is please do not use Microsoft Word or any other word processor when writing HTML code. Only an HTML editor, or at the very least, your machine built-in Notepad is suitable for the task. So, and secondly, ensure that you've installed a number of different browsers such as Chrome and Firefox in order to preview your upcoming creation.